Hello everyone, myself Prathamesh Madhukar Shirsat. My presentation topic is on semantic web under the guidance of Dr. V.R. Sonone sir. Before start the presentation, I introduce the concept of the semantic web in short. The semantic web known as Web 3.0, which focuses on efficiency and intelligence by reusing and linking data across websites. The purpose of the semantic web is increasing the efficiency of the search, increasing the speed of the search. The semantic web is better than the dynamic traditional types of the websites. Semantic web is work and search the content rather than matching the spelling or keywords. The semantic web mainly focuses on the meaning of the query. According to that query, it searches the data over there and represent the results to the user over there. Now, introduce the brief idea about the semantic web in the next slides. Then move towards the next slide. What is semantic web? The term semantic web refers to W3C vision of the web link data. Semantic web technology enables people to create data stores on the web, build vocabularies, and writes rules for the handling data. W3 School is the worldwide consortium which is used to create websites which helps to increase the efficiency of the search, and that is the organization which is worldwide, which are used across the world uh, deeply or widely. There are a lot of applications of the worldwide web consortium. Then let's discuss the next slide. The terms or technologies which are used in a semantic web. Semantic web is a concern with the data meaning rather than the structure. Other than semantic web, the other websites which are search the content on the basis of matching the keywords, on the basis of clustering. But in this semantic web, the content is matched with the query on the basis of the meaning of the query fired by the user, and provide the search provide the documents according to that, which uses three types of the technologies. First one is XML, which is which is extensible markup language, which is used for the self description of the data for data exchange. Then second one is RDF, which provides the foundation for publishing and linking data, which also helps to express data and relationships in between objects over there. And third one is SparkQL. SparkQL, it is a query language and data access protocol for semantic web data sources. In this, the user is fire the query. That query language is known as SparkQL. Then the working of the semantic web. First one is it discover the data, which find out the data set which are relatable to the query fired by the user, and show the content according to that. That is the first step of semantic web. Second one is integrate. In this step, which link the relation between data sets and meaningful labels. And after integrating and discovering, third one is validate. Means after linking the data sets, then for validation, provide the inputs to modeling and simulation system, which cross check the content provided by the semantic web, which is right or wrong. That all things are performed in this step. Then after completing all these three steps, there is fourth step is explore. In this step, explore the validate data and represent that data according to the query matching. After passing through all the steps, the semantic web is provide the appropriate results to the user, and helps to the user and provide the efficient and correct data according to the query. This is the working. It is the simple flow or simple working of the semantic web, which having the specific architecture for completing or enhancing the data over there. Then the features of semantic web. First one is it helps to improve the ability of web technologies and connect through search and analysis by understanding the meaning. It means apart from the semantic web, before invention of the semantic web, we use the traditional types of webs which are not efficient as compared to as semantic web, which takes the large amount of time for providing the documents or the data according to the fire query. That kinds of drawbacks are covered or overcome from by using the semantic web. Then second one is machine interpretable. The semantic web is machine readable, machine understandable, and machine interpretable. Means the machines which are without taking the help of the human, which realizes and which read the semantic web over there. Third one is open data repository. Data repository, it means in the entire world anyone can insert data over there which is appropriate. First of all, it cross checks it's right, it's wrong, it's not providing the damage to the rules or not break the rules of the semantic web. Then it upload that data over there. The users which take the data from that open data repository, which is open for the all the users. Fourth feature of the semantic web is that it having the unique web resource identifiers for every bit of information. It means which has the unique web resources for the identifiers for a small amount of information also there. Then the advantages and disadvantages of the semantic web. First of all, we discuss the advantages and then move toward the disadvantages. First one is advantages. It is the first one is it is vast and interconnected. The semantic web having it is a fast and interconnected entire world there. Second one is helps in processing of huge qualities of the information data and provide large amount of advantages to the users and the customers which are use the semantic web over there. Third one is make data ready for the machines. The semantic web create the data for the or make data ready for the machines after firing query over there. Then that machines read that data which is provided by the semantic web over there. Then semantic web also have the some of the disadvantages. First one is it is difficult to understand the meaning of the double word. First of all, we see that the semantic web is totally based on the meaning of the query rather than matching the keywords over there. It means while the user is pass the word which having the double meaning, then the semantic web it is for semantic web it is difficult to provide the search for that word because that word having some of the double meanings over there. According to the place of that word depends on that place, the meaning of that word it depends. So it is sometimes it is difficult and sometimes it provides the wrong result for that double meaning word. So that one is disadvantage of the semantic web over there. Second one is vastness. The semantic web it is huge number of which have the huge number of class names and duplicity there, because semantic web it is used by the entire world which having the large amount of repositories, which having the huge amount of big data types of data there, which having large amount of employees of the data of the employees, data of the customers, data of the services, government, non-government sectors, lot of things are there. So due to that there is a duplicity of the data is there are large amount of chances for the duplicity of the data over there. And third one is vagueness. What is mean by vagueness? It means sometimes the user fire the query over there, and the semantic web not understand that word of queries, means which are not which means we are that not realize the meaning of that query over there. That means it is vagueness which are present sometimes in the procedure of the providing the documents regarding that fire query over there. So that one is disadvantage of semantic web there. Then fourth one is uncertainty. Due to huge number of result shows, and it is difficult to decide which one is uh, reliable for that particular query, because there is large amount of data over there, and the user requires suppose it require one kind of data, then and it provide another kind of data, so there is create the uncertainty over there. Then the applications of the semantic web. The semantic web having the large amount of application. From them the few are mentioned over here. First one is Facebook. Facebook, it is an application which is nowadays it is popular in the entire world, which is used in many countries, which is used by the many communities, NGOs, peoples, government sectors, non-government sectors, all the world, which are connected through the Facebook, which is a social media platform. And that social media platform, it is used the semantic web, so it having the large amount of use of semantic web in a Facebook. Suppose I want to give a small example of the semantic web which is used in a Facebook. Suppose you are the user of the Facebook, then you have some of the suggestions according to your uh, profile, according to your interest. So this kind of things are with the help of semantic web there. Then second one is Siri, Apple voice recognition assistant. And Apple and Siri, uh, according to the voice, it recognize the assistant, means which recognize the condition, and according to that condition or according to that work, it carried out its steps and complete the work over there. At that time also use the semantic web in that condition. Third one is make data ready for the machines. That one is the also popular kind of application of the semantic web. So that is a this is the overall view of the semantic web. And semantic web, it is a popular nowadays it is popular in the entire world, in an entire in many applications mostly use the semantic web rather than using traditional webs or dynamics webs, because they having the lots of disadvantages, which having the small speed and not provide the reliable search. Only they provide the search on the basis of the matching of the keywords and many things over there. So semantic web, it is popular nowadays. So that is short or information regarding the semantic web I present over here.